Yeah. What the hell? No, bro. Hello guys, it's me Kundan Kid. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your broken phone. Let's get started. So guys, now I will show you how to fix your phone. So now I will show you some normal damages that occur to a phone on a day-to-day basis that I have seen. I am imitating those just to teach you guys. The first type of damage is fall damage when your phone falls. Or what if you're talking on phone?
Oh my god.
The second type of damage is being run over. Or if someone runs your phone over. This is the type of damage where our phone is used as a cricket ball. Now we are going to show you another impact which phone users play. Phone users face when they're playing cricket, that their friend randomly takes their phone, throw it, and someone hits it. That's one type of impact we are also going to show you to fix today. So I'm handing over the bowler, the phone. So please come. So we need to be near the phone. Come here. Now, the ball. And here goes the phone.
Oh yeah.
We'll fix it completely. We'll fix it. Such damages are really often pick it to pieces. This was a really strong impact, wasn't it?
Yeah, I threw it.
Yeah. Let's go to the studio. Stop. Now the time when we have to fix our mobile, it's very easy. So as we have shown you three ways how your phone can get destroyed, I have a best way to fix it. It is very good. I just need some tape and your broken phone. I will show you an example. This is my previously broken phone I used in a test, and the tape is letting me when the touch works. So first thing, you remove the glass, which is already removed. Remove the main, whatever this thing is, the motherboard. Put it, align it properly, really properly. If we open the tape roll, where's the thing? Start from the end always, and then move your way forward. Like this. Thus completely covering your mobile in tape. And finally put off. Your mobile is gone. One more step is to do this. You know, the upper portion of the glass is quite sharp. It's really sharp. If it cut you, you can die. So this is the glass and everything is fixed. I misplaced this piece, so now we need some more tape to completely put this together into this board. So just tape. You're done. If you have the problem with the camera getting covered, take a knife and just cut it off. This is a simple fix you can do at home. You have two examples, very awesome. You can use them again. You can speak your phone over, and you should be really happy after this. So thanks for watching. This is Kundan K signing off.